Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is HP Officejet Pro 8135E. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can copy, scan, print and fax with this printer. This printer uses ink cartridge 924 or 924 extra large 2.7 color touch screen. This printer comes with 3 months of instant ink. After 3 months, a monthly fee will be charged automatically unless you cancel the subscription. You require HP Plus to activate and set up instant ink enrollment, but this is not compulsory. This printer is with automatic document feeder that 5 sheets. Connectivity, you can connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct, Wi-Fi network, USB cable, Ethernet and VPN, likewise with Bluetooth. This printer is made with 45% recycled plastic, 225 sheet input tray. Printing speed 20 print per minute for black and up to 10 print per minute for color. It will help to increase your productivity. It's a dynamic security enabled printer. Certain HP printers are intended to only work with cartridges that have a new or reused HP chip or electronic circuitry. Periodic firmware update will maintain the effectiveness of this measure. Certain ink cartridges may not work with this printer. Print, scan and copy or fax right from your smartphone with the best and easiest to use app, HP Smart App, compatible with your favorite cloud storage like Dropbox, Google Drive, email and OneDrive. Scan multiple documents at once and edit them from your smart device. We're going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. I hope it helps you to make informed choice. This is information pack and setup guide, quick start guide. Ink cartridges. Power cable. The power cable is 3-pin power cable. The power cable for this printer goes in here. Remove this paper cup. The USB goes here. Ethernet and LAN cable goes in here. This is ADF, automatic document feeder. Here's the glass scanner, flat desk scanner, LCD screen, USB stick. You stick it here for you to print document with USB. This is the paper tray. The paper tray. To extend this paper tray, you press this holder here, press it and extend it. If you want to adjust it, you need to press this down and adjust it. You can load various sizes of paper: A4, 8.5 by 11, A4 paper, 4 by 6, which is 10 by 15 centimeter photo paper. If you want to remove, you need to press this down for you to remove the cover. To put the cover back, if you open up this cover, lift the printer. If you have any paper jam, check at the back here for any paper jam and debris. Once you remove the cover, check paper jams and debris. and gently close it. The ink cartridges holder is by the corner here. Once you have any paper jam, remove any paper jam and debris. The pin number for this printer is here. In case if it asks you for pin number, this is where to check for the pin number. Sometimes you need admin pin number for you to use this printer. To set this printer up, what you need to do, you need to take the power cable, go at the back, connect the power cable, push it in, then plug it onto the socket. You can see the light highlighting. This printer, you switch this printer on and off from this button. This Wi-Fi light is flashing here. It means that the Wi-Fi is not yet connected. Once it's connected, it will be a steady blue light. Once you switch this printer on, it will ask you to select your language. You just need to tap on it. You have selected English as your language. You need to confirm it. Then you need to select your region, US, Canada, United Kingdom, for instance. Go to setup website from the quick start guide, scan the QR code or enter the URL to continue. I'm going to show you how to set up the ink. If you open up this printer this way, then lift it up, the ink cartridges holder will move and position itself to the center. So now we're going to install the ink cartridges. So these are the ink cartridges that came with this printer. You need to look on the sticker. So magenta is the first on the left, followed by cyan, yellow, and BK, the last on the right. To install this, we start with magenta. So pull off the air vent. Then you go in. Need to go in. This end need to be inside it. Then push it down, and you hear a click sound. The next is cyan. Pull off the air vent. Then go in, and it's in. The next is yellow. Pull off the air vent. Just you need to squeeze this, clockwise, or either left or right. Just need to squeeze it, then it will come off. This is yellow. Push it down. The last but not the least is BK, black. Pull off the air vent. Squeeze this either way. Now you go into the black, push it down, the ink, push down. So you need to take it, go in, push down. It's magenta. Push down. You need to make sure that they are not falling off. So you can see magenta, cyan, yellow, and BK, black. Once you've done that, then you close it. Ink cartridges installation, then you close this cover. Now it's checking the printer. Please wait. Load paper. Press the button on the top to remove the cover. Then you bring this out. Then you bring the paper tray out, push this to the side, Bring the particular paper you want to load. So we want to load A4 paper. This is A4. So you take your paper, so this is A4 paper. Then adjust it. Then you go in. Then close it. So now it's checking the paper. paper successfully loaded. Select OK. You can see new ink cartridges, HP, original HP ink cartridges installed. Select OK. Alignment is needed. Select letter or align. Now you select align. Now it's preparing the alignment. Printing alignment page. Print head alignment successful. Place the printed paper on the scan and select scan. So you take the alignment page printed out, open up the glass scanner and stick the paper. Close it, then select scan. So what it's doing now is scanning the alignment page. It will tell you how many percent. The print head has been aligned successfully. Then you select OK. Return to setup page. You remove this. So this is the unboxing, how to install the ink, how to complete alignment head. Check the next video how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. Thank you.